Okay guys, let's see the solution. In this question we are using go to statement, which is an unconditional statement, unconditional jump statement, which is not depend on any condition. We can use it anywhere in the program, and it transfers the control of the program to one point to another point. Generally programmers doesn't use it and don't prefer to use it because it is very hectic to handle. Okay, in smaller programs you will not find any difficulty to handle it, but when you are creating a project or a software, then it is very much tough or difficult to handle go to statement. Okay, but generally by examination or interview, sometimes teacher asks such type of questions. So let's see the output of this question. Okay, so as we can see, we have a variable named a whose initial value is 5. Okay, then we have a label. We use labels with go to statement to control the transfer of program. Okay, then we have a label named begin. Then if a, as we know that all the values except 0 is treated as true, so if here condition is 5 means which is true. Okay, then printf function is executed and the value 5 got printed. Okay, after that the value of a is decreases from 5 to 4. Then here we have a go to statement, which is obviously unconditional jump statement, and we are jump on the begin label. Okay, so the control goes from here to here and the program again start executing from this line. As we know that the value of a is 4 now, so the value of a is again printed, which is 4. Okay, so the value is decrement by 1, 3, value of a becomes 3. Then again go to statement is executed and it again transfers the control to the label begin. Okay, now the value of a is 3. Then printf statement is again executed, which means that the value of a is now 3 and it is printed. Okay, now the value of a is decreases one more time, then the value of a is 2. Okay, then again label is executed, go to statement is executed, and again the transfer goes to label begin. Okay, so again if a value of a is 2, then 2 will got printed. Okay, in the same way the value of a becomes -1, then again label begin is computed because we are using go to statement, and if 1 is then if 1 is obviously true, then printf statement, then we are using printf statement is executed, which means the value of a is got printed. Now the value of a is 0. Okay, now again this statement got executed and the control reaches to begin label. Okay, but what happens now, the value of a becomes 0. So if 0 condition is 0, which means false, so this statement is not executed and the control comes out after the if statement and after the completion of the end of the program reaches, which means that the output of this question is this. Okay, thanks for watching.